Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll begin by granting camera permission and choosing the right entry point. Open Google Lens from the Google app, your camera app, or an image in Photos. Make sure you have good lighting and a steady hand. This improves recognition accuracy. Once Lens launches, tap the object in the viewfinder to focus. Then wait for the real-time analysis overlay to appear. If you're using a saved image, import it and crop tightly around the subject, because tighter framing yields better matches and fewer false positives. Now you refine. Tap the screen to focus or drag to draw a selection box around the object, and then choose a category, shopping, text, plants, animals, to narrow results. You do this because Lens uses different models for each category. Narrowing reduces ambiguity. If matches are poor, move closer, change angle, or zoom slightly, then capture another frame. Once you see candidate results, compare visual matches and description snippets. Make sure to look at similar images and brief labels before deciding. Finally, verify. Review several matches and read the short descriptions to confirm identity. If labels conflict, perform the built-in web search for more context. Once done, tap the best result to copy text, visit a product page, or save the identification. If Lens struggles, make sure your app is updated, restart it, and recheck camera permissions. A quick reboot often resolves recognition errors. If problems persist, take a clearer photo with better lighting and try again, because capture quality is the most.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.